Hi guys, so today I will be showing you how I achieved these beautiful soft bouncy curls using the new product relaunch Flawless by Gabrielle Union alongside her celebrity stylist Larry Sims. I will be doing a complete wash and style so you guys can see exactly how these products work on my kinky hair. So to begin, I'm starting off on very old, dirty, tangled hair. It's been about 3 weeks since I last washed my hair. So I'm beginning with the 3-minute restoring conditioner. I'm going to apply that first to restore moisture back into my hair and to help me to detangle. So I'm first spritzing my hair with some warm water to dampen it before I apply the conditioner. The consistency is very creamy. It also has a very mild scent. Actually, the entire product line has a very mild sweet scent. To me, it smells like a mild cucumber. So applying the conditioner to my hair, it absorbed very quickly. I needed a little bit more and to wet my hair a little bit more, but once I did that, it absorbed really well into my hair and I was able to detangle with ease. As you can see, my wide tooth comb literally was able to glide through my hair from root to tip, and that really helped me to remove all of my shed hairs. And trust me guys, being able to remove all your shed hairs and detangle your hair before you shampoo makes a huge difference. It really makes the shampooing process and the rest of your wash day routine go a whole lot smoothly when your hair is detangled and shed hairs free. So I'm basically repeating the steps throughout the remaining sections of my hair. I spritz it with some warm water, I apply the conditioner, and then I detangle with the wide tooth comb. This conditioner has Brazilian bakery butter, olive oil, and castor seed oil, and it did exactly what it said it was going to do, which is to detangle and restore moisture. So after applying the conditioner to all 4 sections, I rinsed it out, and now I'm going to follow up by cleansing my hair using the hydrating detangling shampoo. This shampoo is infused with Brazilian bakery butter, rice oil complex, and shea butter. The consistency is very creamy and silky. I like to apply my shampoo directly to my scalp first. That tends to be the dirtiest part of my hair. So after applying a little bit more water to my hair because it was a little bit dry, the shampoo does lather up very quickly and you don't need a whole lot. A little bit goes a long way and it feels creamy and moisturizing on the hair. At the same time, it felt like it was really giving me a deep clean. So I would categorize this as a moisturizing shampoo. So after cleansing my hair, I went ahead and rinsed out the shampoo in the sink, and now I'm going to follow up with the repairing deep conditioning mask and the restoring exotic oil treatment. And because I don't like wasting product, I am using the product that's on the cap first. So this deep conditioner is infused with biotin, cryotin, and rice oil complex, and it is supposed to hydrate and help to reduce breakage. So the consistency of this deep conditioner is very thick. It does not absorb into your hair right away, so keep that in mind. You have to apply it and kind of work it into your hair and allow it to sit for a few minutes before it actually penetrates into your hair. The instructions also states to add a few drops of the exotic oil treatment, which is going to add shine, soften the hair, and reduce frizz. So that is what I did, and it did help a little bit to bring some slip, but this deep conditioner is not a detangling conditioner, so I'll go ahead and say that right now. As you can see, I tried to detangle with it, but it did not work out so well. So I will recommend that you apply the product, allow it to sit for a few minutes, preferably under a hooded dryer so that it can really penetrate into the hair before you try to detangle with it. So that is what I did for the remaining sections of my hair. I applied the deep conditioner and I followed up with a few drops of the exotic oil treatment into all 4 sections of my hair. I twisted it up and I placed my hair under plastic cap and I stayed under my hooded dryer for about 20 minutes. So this is what my hair looks like after applying the deep conditioner. I stayed under my hooded dryer for a few minutes and then I rinsed it out in the shower. After rinsing it out, my hair felt really restored and strengthened. My hair strands felt a whole lot stronger. So it definitely felt like a protein treatment type of deep conditioner rather than a moisturizing one. So I'm out of the shower and I've been out for a while now, so my hair feels really dry. So I'm going to go in with the Hydrating Curl Refresher Spray as well as the Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. The refresher spray is supposed to hydrate and revitalize your curls. So I applied that first to restore moisture back into my hair. And then I followed up with the Detangling Leave-In Conditioner, which has a very, very runny consistency. As you can see, I almost spilled it. But the leave-in conditioner is infused with Brazilian bakery butter as well, and coconut oil and shea butter. And it is supposed to detangle, add shine, and hydration. It absorbed really quickly into my hair. My hair did feel instantly softer, and I was able to detangle with ease. So to seal in the moisture, I add about 5 drops of the exotic oil treatment to each section of my hair. And then I proceed to do a light blow dry on each section using warm air. Because I'm doing curls, I prefer to do it on stretched hair. It makes my curls look a lot looser and bouncier. So I blow dry my hair using the tension method and I just repeat these same steps on each section of my hair. So next I am using the defining curl cream to set my curls using perm rods. This defining curl cream is supposed to hydrate and define your curls. It is infused with shea butter, rice oil complex, and healthy shine lilac. I am going to say it right now, this is probably my favorite product from the entire line. The first ingredient is water and glycerin, so it actually adds a lot of moisture to my hair. I could feel the moisture immediately. It also really absorbed into my hair very quickly. As you can see, my hair feels damp without even adding any water to it. So to set my curls, I first do a 2-strand twist down to about 70% of my strands. And then when I get to the ends, I add a little bit more product for shine and hold. And then I'm going to wrap the ends very tightly around the perm rod set and then roll it all the way up. And then I clip it into place. Now normally when I do perm rod sets, I will add a mousse or something to give my hair hold. But I did not do that this time with this product. I really wanted to test out how it was going to moisturize my hair and also give me definition and hold. So again, I'm repeating the same steps throughout the remaining sections of my hair. I do a 2-strand twist until I get to the ends, and then I add a little bit more product, and then I wrap it very tightly around the perm rods and twist it all the way up, and then I clip it into place. And once I was done, I had about 20 plus perm rods in my hair, and I stayed under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes to dry. So 30 minutes later, I am back, and look at the curl definition, you guys. This is from one product, one styling product. I was so amazed. You know the look you get on your face when you know your curls are about to be popping? That's exactly what I was looking like right about now. So I'm removing my perm rods, and I am just so excited, and I can't wait to see what my hair looks like. So I begin by carefully unraveling the 2-strand twist first. And then on each side of the twist, I take my time and I try to separate my hair where it naturally wants to separate. So while I separate my curls, I just want to remind you guys that each product in this entire line is only $10 or less, and they are available exclusively on Amazon. I'm going to leave the links to all the products that I used in the description box. And if you can't get your hands on the products, don't worry, because Flawless is hosting a giveaway and you can enter for a chance to win all of the products that I used in this video. All you have to do is follow Flawless by Gabrielle Union on Instagram. Their Instagram is Flawless by GU. Make sure you tag a friend and let them know what makes you flawless. Just remember, you must be in the US and you must be 18 years or older to enter. I'm going to leave all the instructions for the giveaway in the description box. So I believe I am on the last piece, trying to separate very carefully. I also make sure I twirl the ends around my finger to keep the curls. So now I'm using my pick. This is my 2-teeth pick that I love to use. I'm able to go in with it without disturbing my curls. I just go in from the roots and I pull up gently to shape my hair and to give me a lot more volume without separating my curls. I am all done fluffing and look at my hair, you guys. My hair feels soft and moisturized, but my curls have definition and hold. It is bouncy and shiny. And I honestly can't believe that I was able to achieve this on my kinky hair. Not to mention the fact that the products are $10 or less. I definitely recommend that you guys try these out. I'll leave the links in the description box on how you can get your hands on them. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!